Now let's take the same exact characters in the same exact pose and try to convince our audience that this is a melancholy scene rather than a romantic one. Again, I'm just going to play this video for you. I want you to take in the artwork, take in my color choices, and we'll talk at the end of the recording. So enjoy the show. If you're enjoying this little lesson, you'll be pleased to learn that it's actually part of an entire course consisting of 66 video lessons. The course is called How to Use Colored Pencils Like a Pro, and it's part of my own personal art academy called It's Easy to Draw. I'm going to drop a link to the academy and to the course in the pinned comment below and also in the video description. So go check it out. There's a lot more to learn, and I hope to see you in class. What did I do here? What were my choices? I started with a beautiful kind of a cashmere purple tone color that was kind of neutral and mid-tone, that could be a dusty lavender or a brownish lavender, something like this. And that was my undertone wash. And then I added quite a bit of blue, ranging from deep dark blue, of course, always adding black for my shades, and taking it all the way down to this steely, cool blue. So even though I have a little bit of pinkish lavender on her dress, on her blouse, most of the composition is in this really cool blue realm. So how does that make you feel? How do you think it will make the rest of the audience feel? Looking at it next to my romantic version, it's quite a stark difference. And even though our characters didn't move an inch, this tells a completely different story. Again, regardless of how you feel about a color. To me, blue is the most beautiful color in the universe. It doesn't mean that it can't convey sadness or something melancholy. I think it's a lot of reflection. It's a lot of memory. Perhaps the whole thing is a memory. Perhaps she's remembering the time that she was with him. Perhaps he's imagining her. We don't know, but there's a lot of room for interpretation here. Maybe it's their last night together. Maybe they know they're saying goodbye. Maybe she's a ghost already. There's so many possibilities here. But overall, all of a sudden, it doesn't scream hot passion. It screams something sad, something steely and cold. So remember that this is just a tiny part of an entire course on how to use colored pencils like a pro. So if you want to learn all about colored pencils as a medium and to create amazing, beautiful art like this, follow the link, check out the full course, and I hope to see you in class. If you enjoyed this little fragment of the course, please remember to give it the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more of these moments of brilliance and entertainment and education. And drop me a comment if you have any thoughts, questions, or suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.